So we have a Technics RS-TR265. And now these decks are famous for acting stupid. So when you press play, it dances all over the place, jumps up and down, goes the other direction. So if your deck is acting like that, if your deck's not doing this, so if your deck is not going the direction it's supposed to, every single time, so if it's acted stupid, jumping up and down, doing all this crazy shit, this is what I had to do to get this to stop doing the same thing, because it was doing that. And it was a little irritating if you have to press play 5 fucking times for it to do whatever you want. Now what I had to do, clean all the mode switches and adjust them correctly. If the gaps on the mode switches are not correct, it's going to cause all kinds of fucking problems. This one, record mode switch, was closed all the time. This one right here, the gap was too big, so it was getting bad connections. So it was dancing all over the place. All right. Over here, same thing. Everything had to be cleaned and adjusted. The worst part of it was all of these soldering joints on every mode switch had to be redone. All of them had to be resoldered. So they were all just piss poor soldering joints, every one of them. So after soldering the joints, cleaning and adjusting all the mode switches, all right, now it works one touch of the button. Outstanding. Excellent. So I hope this helps somebody. If your Technics, if you have to touch the buttons over and over and over to get it to go, if it's trying to go the wrong way or starts rewinding or fast forwarding when it's not supposed to, okay? So there you go. Check all your mode switches, clean, adjust, and resolder them. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps you out. Hit like and subscribe. Have a good day. Party on. Check all the mode switches.